my squadrons out there, man. Before we get into the video, man, if you enjoy what you see, man, go ahead and subscribe up, man. Become part of the squadrons, man. If you ain't part of the gang yet, man. And another thing, man, leave a like down below, man, before we react to this. Zias and B Lou, what exactly is the truth about the sun, man? So, we about to see, man. You know these boys right here, man. B Lou be swearing he a scientist, so we about to see exactly what's going on in here, bro. Let's get it, man.
Sun keep burning. Hold on, what is the sun? Like, what is what actually what's the sun made up? Like, what is it made out of? Like, what is the sun?
Lava, nigga. That bitch look like lava.
Energy, pure energy.
Oh, you think it's pure energy?
Pure energy.
What? Pure energy. Dog, this already about to be crazy. And why he look toasted? Bro look toasted, don't he?
Why you think the plants and stuff grow?
They say it's a star, but I'm
dang. These boys might be steaming now.
What exactly is it? Is it
a lot of stars though?
It's just a big star. What I'm saying is it like what is it made of? Like, is it gas? Is it actual just fire burning, my nigga? Like what?
Or is it just light?
But fire produces light. So I'm saying what's the light source from?
I think it's power. It's like energy power. It's like a ball of power, a ball of energy.
So it's like the Dragon Ball Z. Like if you catch it, like
no, different type of energy.
Cause I'm like,
I don't know.
How come we went to the moon but we didn't go to the sun? They took a trip to the moon. They took a trip to the moon, but they didn't take a trip to the sun.
Pablo, you thinking?
Listen to B Lou, bro. You thinking? Seriously? Why we didn't go to the sun, but we went to the moon? Bro, we don't stand a chance, my nigga. First off, I don't even know if we went to the moon. Right? Let's get it. Let's start there for real, cause dead ass, bro.
Pablo, you thinking?
Nah, that's what they don't want us to think.
Nah, Pablo, that's what they
don't want us to think.
Hold on.
That's what they don't want us to think.
No, you're not.
Pablo, I ain't
Trip to
gonna
the
lie.
moon, but they didn't take a trip to the sun.
Pablo,
You think it. That nigga not thinking, bro.
Nah, that's what they don't want us to think.
Nah, Pablo, that's what they
don't want us to think.
Pablo,
I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't gonna lie.
See, the government, the CIA, they suppressing our brain
I'm
cells.
gonna keep it a buck with y'all.
Nah, bro, he got a point.
You got a point.
Y'all are on to nothing.
They not on to shit right now.
I think we cook, bro.
Nah, y'all ain't cooking, bro. Nope. I'm not allowing y'all them to clip that. Nope.
Because that's
cause they
why
are.
would you go to the North Pole and not go to the South Pole?
Nah, you really talking, Pablo.
Come on now. Why would you go to the North Pole, not the South Pole? Hey.
Nope. Stop. Nope.
Hey.
Nope. Chad. Don't gas this up, Chad. Don't gas this up. Do not gas this up.
We have no signs
Don't
of being
gas
on the
no,
sun.
I got no.
We have no signs of being on the sun.
Because we gonna fucking get burned up, nigga. What are you talking about? We gonna get steamed out, nigga.
They ain't never took a trip to the sun.
Don't ever, bro.
Don't gas
They
this up.
trolling, bro.
That's not going to Walmart.
Nope. Stop.
Not going to Target.
You right. No, he's right though. He's literally
Hey,
right.
you hear me?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You right, bro.
Just asking, why did we not go to the sun?
Nah, bro, that's for real though,
That's for
bro.
real, though.
That's a real thought.
It's hot.
It's hot, man.
You don't feel the heat from down here. What you think gonna happen when you go to it?
I thought you just said it was.
Nah, that ass though. He told you feel the heat from down here. So I come in the wintertime, it be freezing cold, my nigga, and it be sunny as hell. Well, something not adding up, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? They say the world tilt, we tilt. And someone saw the sun get further away as it get colder, as it like season change. Hell no, that shit be looking like it's the same distance, don't it? What am I tripping? That school shit all a lie, my nigga. It's all a lie, gang.
It was a light, though.
Y'all said it was a light. I said, is it burning fire?
But you could just...
Cause that bitch hot.
But you could have AC in a spaceship.
Zeke, hey,
Cuz, you hear me?
bro,
Hey,
he really just debunked,
Really
bro. I ain't
just
gonna lie,
debunked
Zeke. He
you.
really
Yeah.
just debunked, bro.
on me. In your
He
suit,
literally just
in your
debunked you,
space
bro.
suit, in your astronaut
I
suit,
ain't gonna lie,
you
bro.
can have AC in that motherfucker.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You did, bro.
Hey.
Now you really spitting. You really spitting for real.
That's all you need.
You really spitting for real.
I ain't gonna lie.
These niggas
Yeah,
be
that's-
toasted, bro.
See, and that's what make me think why they ain't never been to the moon, cause it's like y'all say y'all been to the moon, y'all took pictures on the moon.
Cap.
Why y'all didn't go to the sun and take pictures on the sun?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, bro.
It's like it's not
That's
adding
a-
up,
that's
cause
a
it ain't
real
the
good
math
point.
ain't mathing, cuz.
Nah, for real, bro.
Yeah.
I'm trying to.
The
figure
sun
it
is
out.
hot though, bro.
Read these donuts because y'all on some. Shout out Jackson Bailey with the 5. He said the sun, mostly helium and hydrogen, make like a nuclear energy into a star type. Okay, we gotta find out what helium and hydrogen is.
He's
Shout out
spitting
Lil
in the
Five,
chat.
man. Appreciate you. Love.
No cap, no bout, no.
Okay, let me look up how hot. I wonder how hot is the sun? Cause y'all niggas tweaking.
How hot is the sun?
How hot is the sun? 10,000 Fahrenheit.
Nigga, that's hot as.
And you asking why the we didn't go to the sun?
Yeah, I don't know if AC gonna be able to like.
Nigga, the
stop no
spaceship
10,000.
He said, "Yeah, I don't know. No AC gonna be able to stop that. No shit, dumbass. Duh, nigga. Nigga be Lou crazy, dog.
Yeah, bro, I ain't gonna lie. 10,000 square feet, bro. I'm telling you, bro, that shit is too hot.
Hold on.
Yeah, that's too much square feet, 10,000.
Whoa,
Yeah,
hold on.
for real, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Hold on,
like,
hold on,
that's
talk.
way too
Hold on.
much.
Square feet.
I ain't know it's that many square feet.
Why y'all saying square feet?
That's what the sun on the.
That's
They
what
say
it
10,000
10,000.
square feet on there.
No, Fahrenheit, bro. Square feet is space.
Yeah, that's the space of the sun, ain't it?
Yeah, the space of the sun.
No, it's Fahrenheit, the heat, the temperature.
They are some idiots, bro.
Now, if you was asking how big is the sun,
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to figure out, yeah.
how big the sun is a very large star, much bigger than Earth. What the? It has a diameter of 860,000 miles. This means it's about 109 times wider than Earth. The sun's radius is approximately 432,000 miles.
Zeke, you want to know why?
How they know this?
Can I tell you why?
How do they?
Because why every time I look at the sun, I really can't look at the sun? You know what I mean? Have you ever just tried to like gaze at the sun? So I'm like, how would you, if we never been to the sun, how do we know really how big is the sun?
Facts.
Okay.
You can't look at it.
I'm not mad at that question,
See?
B. Lou.
He cooking. This nigga is cooking. He dead ass though. You cannot look at the sun, nigga. So how do we know how big the sun is? I don't give a fuck about no microscope, my nigga. How do you even look at the sun? You can't. When you put, you know what? None of this shit makes sense, bro. None of it makes sense, bro.
I'm looking at it like, bro, I've tried to look at the sun multiple times.
Because how is we getting these measurements, B. Lou?
If we never been there, bro.
How can you know how big something is if you've never experienced it?
Ask it again, Pablo.
How do you know how big something is if you've never experienced it?
Hey, yo. Hey. That was crazy. That was crazy.
And too, cause you ever look, you ever look during the daytime, cuz up at the sky, you see the moon. And during you ever seen the moon during the day?
Yeah.
But you ain't never seen the sun during the night.
You know, the sun, it go down. Like,
But I'm saying, where is it going?
Zeke, I ain't gonna lie. Let me tell you some crazy shit.
Other side.
If the sun goes down, does that mean the world, like,
It's upside down?
yes? Cause like,
What? What? This nigga asked the dumbest shit on the planet, bro. Look at him.
cause like,
Look at him, bro.
Yeah.
right? You know what I mean? It's like, you know, y'all get what I'm saying? Like, it's kind of crazy to think about, but like, is it crazy to think about? You know what I'm saying?
No, I think that's
Is there
crazy.
something following the sun like all day, like in a flight, just like to see where it goes? I don't know.
But I like.
That is
I
crazy,
like the
though.
questions that y'all posed
That you
earlier
can see the sun.
with how do we know the measurements of the sun if we can't even get close to them without it?
Because it's hot.
Burning us, right?
See, but that's because it's not
Yeah.
really hot. They just want you to think that it's hot.
Ooh.
Somebody's been there. Somebody's measured the sun.
What if the sun
they
is
just
not
not-
keeping us hot?
No
They just not telling us.
Look, I'm
The-
trolling.
measurements of the sun if we never been to the sun.
This should be lying, though. How do they be knowing all of this stuff, bro?
I'm gonna show you. We determine the sun's measurement through various astronomical techniques. Y'all they throw that in there? Various
Yeah.
astronomical techniques.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
What is various mean?
Like a lot.
Variety.
A variety.
Oh.
Yeah. Including triangulation using Venus or Mercury transits, and by analyzing the sun's angular size and distance from the Earth using parallax or transit observations. I'm not gonna lie, that sounds like some.
Bro, I don't know what.
This sound like some bullshit. I ain't gonna lie to you. This do sound crazy, yo. All these big ass words like triangulation. My nigga, the fuck do that mean? Huh? That's another big ass word. Trigonometrical techniques. What? What is this? I might know what none of this shit mean. Using parallax. I don't know what none of this shit mean. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Scientists are the smartest niggas, bro. Cause what? What does this even mean, man? This is crazy.
Smart how they do that, cause
You
that
like,
shit
bro,
made me not even want to like research it.
Like,
I'm
bro,
gonna take y'all word for it, bro. All right.
Yeah, I don't even want to research it. Y'all got it.
Yeah, okay, cool. Like, I don't even want to do my deep research. Y'all got it.
No, me. Said an angular size and distance from Earth using parallax on transit observations. Like what?
Right. What do that even mean?
First Green 20 with the 2 said, watch Fear of Space. What's that? What's Fear of Space? And why y'all spamming it? Look it up on YouTube. I hope it ain't like no copyright shit either.
Oh man.
If it's like a National Geographic ass video, like them bitches be getting copyrighted.
Yeah. Like on some like speed or something.
I got this car recently, and look how much I was paying for insurance before. I use this website, and now look at my policy.
The fear of space.
This footage is the first ever recorded footage of the Earth from space. As the image distorts and you're felt straying away from the planet Earth, a certain consternation is felt, almost like you fell into a deep pool of water and you're slowly straying further away from the surface, straying away from what is known, from what isn't nothing. Whilst this footage is nothing spectacular in the world of astronomy, it highlights the feeling of impending terror that space portrays.
Man, it's a nigga making this shit off top of his head too, man. Like, how does he know? He don't know the answer to none of this stuff, bro. We're never gonna figure out all the shit that's going on the Earth.
Seeing the pure and utter powerful size of empty space in our universe is so perplexing that it twists my throat into circles. It's as if the universe is slapping us in the face saying, your simple body couldn't possibly dare to imagine the sheer size and complexity of my creation. And it would be right, because the truth is, space is horrendously scary.
Trap Star J Money with the 5. Appreciate you. Love. It said the sun really goes up at night, not down, because it comes down. It comes up in the morning.
Nigga, what?
The
Nigga,
sun
whole
goes
chat
up at
cooked,
night,
bro.
Not down, because it comes down in the morning. The sun stay. We move around the sun. The Earth rotates.
Earth rotates, we know that.
Shout out
It isn't until you
Gerard
compare the
too.
planet Earth to others that you realize we have a perfect planet. Jupiter,
I do
a gas
believe
giant, a planet made of thick, never-ending storms. There is no surface on Jupiter. Its massive scale consists of
You know,
deep,
like
heavy
this
gas. You cannot land a probe on Jupiter because it will fall into the gas for days.
That's
It's
why-
vertically
that's why the
cold,
water
essentially
goes
getting the
still.
second
That
life.
shit is scary though, bro. You falling right into the fucking. You falling right into the planet, bro. Hey, look at that.
Gas. You cannot land a probe on Jupiter because it will fall into the gas for days.
That's
It's
why
vertically
the
cold,
water
essentially
goes
getting
still in
dissected
the
by air.
ocean.
I'm sure the raging red spot of the storm on
What?
Jupiter is nothing new to anyone watching. A storm that has lasted for at least 400 years and potentially longer. A storm that itself spans a wider distance than the Earth itself. Imagine a heavy raging storm bigger than the Earth, all of which is heavy gas ripping anything near it apart. A storm so big that it puts our Earth to shame. Everything that we know, love, see, feel, smell, and think all exists on planet Earth. And the fact that a storm, just a storm, burnt in crystal.
Space is scary though, man.
I'm sure the
Like, look at that.
storm on Jupiter is nothing new to anyone watching. A storm that has lasted for at least 400 years and potentially longer. A storm that itself spans a wider distance than the Earth itself. Imagine a heavy raging storm bigger than... It is until you compare the planet Earth to others that you realize we have a perfect planet. Jupiter, a gas giant, a planet made of thick, never-ending storms. There is no surface on Jupiter. Its massive scale consists of deep, heavy gas. You cannot land a probe on Jupiter because it will fall into the gas for days until it is burnt and crippled, essentially getting dissected by air. I'm sure the raging red spot of the storm on Jupiter is nothing new to anyone watching. A storm that has lasted for at least 400 years and potentially longer. A storm that itself spans a wider distance than the Earth itself. Imagine a heavy raging storm bigger than the Earth, all of which is heavy gas ripping anything near it apart. A storm so big that it puts our Earth to shame. Everything that we know, love, see, feel, smell, and think all exists on planet Earth. And the fact that a storm, just a storm, on another giant planet puts our entire existence to shame is embarrassing. Similar patterns can be seen with Saturn and Neptune, the other two gas giants in our solar system. Worlds of nothing but storms and chemical reactions. Storms that can reach up to 1,000 miles per hour. Storms that would tear your muscle fibers off one by one. But the scary thing is, this is just one example of one planetary system. Space
What?
is chaos, but there are more than trillions of planets, many more each with their own chaos. The sheer
Bro, none but, so like when people be like it's life forms on different planets,
Like, is it really?
is it really?
Hell no.
They said the whole planet is storming.
The whole time, nonstop. Or is the inhabitants of that planet the ones causing the storm, B Lou?
Zeke, see, that's some deep.
We never gonna figure out none of this stuff, bro. Like, I don't care what they be saying on the planet, the animal planet, the space planet, whatever they call it. We never gonna figure out what's going on for real, bro.
What y'all think, Chat? Like, are they like electrical beings that live on that planet, and that's
And
they
we
just
think like, oh,
we
it's
think
some
it's
fun,
storming, but that's just how they
having
communicate.
fun.
They just having fun, B Lou. Yeah, you feel me?
For real though, Zeke. Now you could be onto something. You could be onto something.
He kills you when he say you could be on to something.
All things is living. Like, what up on a planet? Like the plants is like moving. You know what I'm saying? Like, who knows? I really don't.
You know, trees. I was
Never know, bro.